What's up, Lunar Bikes? Today I will show you service of old type bottom bracket in vintage bikes, and I will show you how to service this type of bottom bracket. I unscrew the screws. This is 20mm K. Now I remove crankset. You need to use a special tool to do it. Bike is old and stuck, so I use lots of WD-40. Now I unscrew the left side of bottom bracket. Here is a normal right thread. We got it. So dirty. Everything is so dirty. Now the second side, right side. I try to unlock this nude by K, but it's very serrated and I need to use something different. All repairs of vintage bikes are difficult because lots of parts are serrated and stuck. Now I use a special tool. You can make this yourself. I use it to montage headset, herring bearings. Tighten the screw to block K here, like on video. And you can try to unlock right now. And important thing, here is a left thread. On the right side in this bike, the thread is a left. Unscrew the screw. Yes, we got it. Now I clean inner of bottom bracket. I use degreaser and cloths, so the thread must be super clean. And after cleaning, I lubricate the thread to prevent it before rust and before serrate. I was trying to upgrade this bottom bracket, but here is a problem and no chance to montage a newest type because the pipe blocked it inside. So I clean parts of old bottom bracket and reassemble it because that was in good condition and just need cleaning and lubrication. I lubricate the thread and I tighten it. Now I lubricate to axle and bearings. Put inside and I tighten the last one, left side nut. To contour nut. Don't forget to lubricate axle end. And now montage of crankset. You can use thread locker on the nuts. And finish. Don't forget to give a subscribe.